Hello, welcome to Gladys Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to contact Bitget help center. So if you're having issue with creating an account with Bitget and you want to contact their help center, what you just have to do is to tap on any of the browser of your choice, but for this video I'm going to make use of Chrome. So when I tap on Chrome, I just have to navigate to the search option. So on the search option I just have to type in Bitget help center. Okay, so I'm going to tap on the first option there here that says Bitget support center. So from this place you can see you can type in your help or question, any keyword you have here, and you can also, they have other self-service that Bitget offers here. You can upload an API, you can reset your two-factor authentication, you can also create your KYC and submit it here. You can also reset your identification, verification, and even your elite traders application and withdraw, submit a ticket. So these are the announcement center. You can see the latest security and all those stuff. So any of this product that you wish to manage or you want to make use of on Bitget, you can get it from this Bitget support center. So guys, that is it on how to contact Bitget help center. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.